I know exactly how they do this. I know exactly how The Simpsons is able to predict everything, guys. The truth is these are not predictions. It is not prophecy. It is programming. The elites hide their plans in plain sight through shows, through movies, and even cartoons, because your subconscious mind absorbs it. So by the time it actually happens in real life, you have already accepted it. And why do they do this, you might ask? It is consent. In their twisted logic, even if they show you through cartoons, then you've agreed to it. This is how they avoid their karmic cycle. So when these Simpsons predictions come true, people laugh, they share the memes, and they move on. But that is exactly what the trap is, because it normalizes the agenda that's being played out here. Simpsons is not predicting the future, it is revealing the script at play. We live in a scripted reality. And once you see it for what it is and you stop consenting, that's when you break their power. Much love and peace.